Greetings and welcome to the Bondi Scrapper channel. Today's video is one of those "Is the juice worth the squeeze" type videos. So I've got a heap of little power supplies, little wall warts as I like to call them, and I'm going to crack them open and see whether it really is worth pulling the transformer inside right down to its component parts, or just putting the transformer straight into the transformers bucket. So let's do some building with hammers and have a look. So these are a couple of the heavier ones. Generally they come apart easily, but let's have a look. All you got to do is find the seam, which should be just there, and give it a whack like that. Don't muck around. And then it just comes apart. There's a bit of wire in there, so you can snip off the wire. That's the starting point. Snip off that. That can all go into low-grade copper wire, insulated. This little circuit board can go straight into e-waste. Again, cut off the wires. E-waste for that one. While we're here, this little bit here that can come off. Sometimes if you give these a really firm whack, they just pop out. So like that. Plastic goes in the bin. They can be cleaned up later. A couple of little bits of brass. Let's have a play with this one while we're at it. See what it's got. Safety glasses for this one because there are bits flying everywhere. This one's pretty much the same, slightly smaller transformer. Take off that. Get off there. Not playing the game. Okay, this is a laminated, they're both laminated style transformers, so they're made up of multiple individual leaves. So first job is to weigh them up, see what they're worth weighed up. So let's go and do that. That's the bigger one, the first one that we did. Let's have a look, see how much that weighs. 362 grams, so let's call that 0.362 of a kilogram. And the other one is 0.2 of a kilogram, 200 grams. So the current price for transformers is 66 cents a kilogram, which is, I think that would work out about 22 cents a pound if you're in the USA, and about 33p a pound in the UK. Just working it out of my head. Better check the forex on Google, I guess, for that one. So the first one, it's worth 24 cents as it is. The second one, it's worth 13 cents as it is. So let's see if I can crack this apart easily, and we'll see what happens. So all these leaves are lightly bonded together, and I've found the easiest way to do it is to give them a hit with a hammer. So let's try that, see if this workbench is up to it. I usually do it on the concrete floor. And go back the other way. Let's just see. Not quite. Maybe. Oh yeah. So I'm just levering that out. You've got to be careful of the sharp edges. And I guess we should have a look, see how long this takes. It's now 6 o'clock in the evening. Right, so we've got a few of them out, so we'll have a bit of movement to it, so we can belt it a bit more. Green hammer, the favourite one. So these are all kind of stuck together with whatever lacquery, gluey type stuff that they use. So you just got to kind of wiggle them a bit more. Give them a belt. Maybe grab them, twist them a bit, and they'll crack, they go click. One side, let's do the other. First spool comes out, second spool usually just slides out. Maybe it won't, but that's okay. It's in like a little carrier, so you can just kind of flick the carrier to the side and out it comes. So that goes in the bin. I usually get the side cutters, and these are a bit little, and I just kind of get the plastic off. Now some of the plastic is like this stuff, really tough, and other is really brittle, and the brittle stuff is really good because it just cracks off. Got to work it a bit. It's not easy, but it's probably a better way. And then, if you can somehow get under there, grab the wire like that, off it comes. Try and get a bit of this insulating tape off the outside. There we go, that's good enough. So that now magically becomes burnt copper, that one. Same with this one. There. So that one was a good one. It just kind of rolled in on itself. And somewhere here is the edge of that. Get that off. Alrighty. So we end up with Two bits of copper, one's heavier gauge than the other. I think we'll have a look now and see what these ones are worth. So let's weigh that up. 25 grams of burnt copper. Let's work that out. So that was quick and easy. There's a quarter of a kilo, 250 grams of iron shred there. So that's worth all of 2 cents. There is a couple of bits of brass that need a quick tidy up, and those and the bit of wire there will probably come to 1, maybe 2 cents. So we're up to what, 3 or 4 cents. And then finally these two bits, and I'm glad I did this little experiment. These two bits, they came in at 25 grams, which is 0.025 of a kilogram. Current price of burnt copper is $6.30. It's because I traded some in the other day. And $6.30 times 0.025 equals 15 cents. So we've gone from 24 cents to getting at best 19 cents, but let's call it 15 cents. The other stuff's just by the wayside. So we've actually gone backwards. So my answer to that is throw all these little transformers straight into the box that says transformers, take them to the scrapyard, don't spend any time on them, and you'll get 25 cents per, or 24 cents per wall wart. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed that one. Another quick one, I think. And that took 7 minutes to pull that to pieces, all up. That was pulling all the leaves out and getting the copper out of its little basket. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Share it with your friends if you think it's interesting and you think they'll like it. Leave a like and leave a comment if you feel like it. Subscribe so that you can be notified when a new video comes out, but hopefully they come out every Friday at about 6 AM. Yeah, thanks for watching. Scrap every day. Bye.